Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect a Canon printer to an Android phone and print any document easily in just a few steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your Canon printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is essential because your Android phone needs to send print commands over the same wireless connection. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you'll find the official Canon app needed to connect your device. Step 3. Search for Canon Print Service and install the app. This app acts like a driver that helps your phone communicate with the printer. Step 4. Open the document you want to print from your file manager, Downloads folder, or Google Drive. You can choose anything like a PDF, image, or text file. Step 5. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the document viewer. This will open a menu with various sharing and export options. Step 6. Tap on Print, or if you don't see it, go to Share and Export, then select Print. This will bring up the print preview screen. Step 7. When the print dialog opens, tap the drop-down to select your Canon printer from the list. Make sure it's the correct one connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Choose the page range, color settings, and paper size according to your needs. You can select black and white, portrait mode, and specific pages to print. Step 9. Tap Print to send the document to your Canon printer. The printer will start processing the job and print your file in just a few moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.